Here is the 2014 to 2018 Kia Forte. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the video. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Go ahead and pop the trunk. Now what we have to do is we have to push the lights outwards. First towards the outside direction of the car, not to the center, outside. Now you can do it with your hands, or if it's too hard, you can just use a flathead screwdriver like this. So get the screwdriver in position and then push it outwards like that, and then outwards towards you. See that? So left and out. It's the same idea for the other light. Let me do it for the first one here. Get the light out, press on the electrical connector there and get the connector off, and there it is. Same idea for the other light. You gotta push it right, like outside the car, and then out towards you. Same thing, press the electrical connector and get the light out. Now the following process after this is exact same for the left and right one. We have to get the lens out. So get the screwdriver right over there where I'm getting it, and use that to pry the dark gray part off of the lens. Just get it right over there. There's some gap you can get the screwdriver in. So get the other clip out as well, and there you go. Now you can get the entire bulb holder off of the lens. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is sort of push sideways, not pull it out straight, push it sideways, and that will loosen the bulb, and then you can get the bulb out of the bulb holder. The bulb size is 168 or 194. Again, 168 or 194. Get the new bulb, align it over there with the pins, and then push it down straight to lock it in place. Now get the lens, align the lens as I'm showing here, make sure everything is aligned, and then just press it together and the clips go on, and that is good. Now let's put the light back on. Just slide the electrical connector on and click it. It only goes on in one way. Now when you're putting the light back into the body, you see the outside edge that goes on in first. The edge with that plastic clip, the bendable clip, yep. So get that in first. Now push the light leftwards, like outwards, and then down, inwards, out and down, and now it's in place. Repeat the process. I'm going to show you for the right side one. Same thing, put the electrical connector on, click it. The outside edge goes on first. Push it towards right, like outwards, and then down, and the light is in place. That's pretty much it. Let's try it out. And this one's working good, and so is the other one. That's pretty much it. See how easy the whole process was? Hope you found it useful.